Empathy has gained understanding, for we all feel pain. Human wisdom fails in standing, for it's empty and vain. What is the answer to the question why? Why so much death and insanity? Is there an answer? Is there hope? Is humankind at the end?